So what could be inside that dirty, horrible car right there? Candy, perhaps? Let's find out, shall we? Yes, it is, but not just any candy. This, my friends, is the automated motivation sphere dispenser. So I'm going to show you guys how it works, and we're going to try it out on some unsuspecting employees. Find out if it motivates them. But first, a backseat of the car unboxing, if you know what I mean. So with the packaging delicately removed, it's not the dirtiest thing that ever happened to the back of this car, I'll tell you guys that much. We can get a closer look at the unit itself. So here we have the rationing dial for when ad block users grow in number. We can turn that down to from 2 to 1 and then off as we run out of resources. And then here we've got the illuminated distribution port. This helps us save electricity because we can feed the employees in the dark as well as in the light. And then, yes, this is really interesting. So also located here is the zero contact release mechanism. Prevents the spread of disease amongst the herd. We had to get rid of an entire flock of employees one time because of a bad case of hoof and mouth disease. So it's good that none of them will be touching this. And then finally, we've got the reservoir for the automated motivation sphere dispenser. And then the lid to keep them from cheating the system and just going straight for the good stuff without the rationing dial down here. And finally, the colored motivation spheres, which we're going to fill it up with, and then we're going to try this baby out. This could be bad. All right. And there it is, completely assembled.
Hello.
How motivated would you say you feel right now?
I don't know. I'm very scared. I am now very motivated.
Wasn't really the answer I was looking for.
I don't want to turn around because I fully expect to get hit by something. Oh, oh my god!
The actual size you can see relative to him.
Oh, nope. This is horrible. I don't want to turn around.
Okay, horrible. I'll take that as not motivated.
What do you mean?
Okay, here, just hold this.
Okay.
I'll return.
Okay.
You can tell the camera what you think I'm coming back with.
I have no idea. But I think he's coming back with a wooden catapult. Because I've seen that. Oh god!
Okay, so first we'll try a low ration. Try it. How motivated do you feel now?
At least 3% more motivated.
Let's try higher ration.
That took a while, but still definitely 7% more motivated. So in total, I'm now 10% more motivated than I used to be.
Let's try the others. By crikey, I think he's about to put the motivation sphere dispenser in the middle of the working environment.
No way! Okay, hang on. This is motion insensitive, though, right?
His motivation level seems to be unprecedented.
It didn't do anything.
His motivation level is going down.
Okay, that's enough. Are these gumballs? Are these gum? I can't eat gum because I'm eating regular. But
Well, that's a shame.
wait, are you recording?
Try another one. Try a different employee.
I didn't even see Linus over there. Oh, that's gonna. Oh, damn, dude. I really wish you could.
Okay, see now this is a great way to give children cavities. Because it gave me 7.
Well, even if it hadn't, you could just do it again, and it would give you more. It should really dispense just one at a time. Is there a setting?
Is there a setting? Well, of course.
Seriously?
Can you describe your motivation level right now?
Motivation level. Well, I have a gum in my mouth. So, I'm gonna get to work.
So many.
Oh my god. Why? Why do I need this much gum? I don't understand.
Does consistently dispense 7. So there you have it, friends. I don't remember what it's called anymore because I don't have the box any longer, but this is my answer to Valve's candy room.
Except that it's probably just gonna go back to his house. We won't actually ever see it.
So working at Linus Media Group is officially just as good as working at Valve.
Nice try.
It tried so hard, and it gave you 1.
Poor Linus.
My motivation level's not very high. Thanks for watching this video on Channel Super Fun. Like it if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Woo, motivation spheres.